nsula naye, there is a way you torment women who are married and you force them to give birth. You torment us. I know you want negative energy all the time, but every time you need to be okay. Abachala tulekera okukuza abachala banaffe when they are giving birth. It is very tormenting. Me, one thing I can tell you is the sifayo bichibye mumane because sigwe kusose mumye bitubinjinyo and I've never come out to answer anything. Kachibo kuzala kuneno nakote kusichibanga yo need answering, but I'm praying. Era chikakasa to one day God will bless me with a child. Amen. Ani yego yakola na yenda gano. Nange ndakala myandisila. Okay. Yeah, it is emotional. Yeah, it is domestic violence. By the way. No, we had to ask the question. But in-laws, what about today? There is no married woman in life that doesn't want to give back. It is not there. Tichiri walk. But when you force me to give back to my husband, there is a way you torment women who are married and you force them to give birth. You torment us. I know you want negative energy all the time, but every time you need to be okay. Abachala tulekera okukuza abachala banaffe when they are giving birth. It is very tormenting. Me, one thing I can tell you is the sifayo bichibye mumane because sigwe kusose mumye bitubinjinyo and I've never come out to answer anything. Kachibo kuzala kuneno nakote kusichibanga yo need answering, but I'm praying. Era chikakasa to one day God will bless me with a child. Amen. Ani yego yakola na yenda gano. Nange ndakala myandisila. Okay. Yeah, it is emotional. Yeah, it is domestic violence. By the way. No, we had to ask the question. But in-laws, what about today? Yes, but struggle kwaniriza kabintate mukwano kwa rape. Yes. Agenda kubanga tuwayo obugambo obuyowo omwoyo obugambo mukwano gwe akunge n'abantu abajenge nakusomwezi nnya olwomukanga fenna tuwayiwe kula bonita. Yes, tukwaniriza nnyo. The devil is fighting. The devil is in war. Amina. I have been telling my friend the same way that we talk about this. So when I go back to get somebody who come and apologize, but he will never remember. I will go and call we ask, and that's why you get up and you have Bible, whatever we ask, that shall be granted. So, sitting when I remove the show has already been successful. Thank you, Jesus. I don't like to see her break down. She's not even like that.